Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyarthi.in and in this video we'll learn the adjectives, which is very important topic of French. Adjectives are used with a noun or pronoun. Adjectives are like good, bad, tall, small, beautiful, handsome. तो एडजेक्टिव्स हम लोग जब यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी चीज के बारे में उसकी डिटेल देते हैं, जैसे सुंदर, अच्छा, बड़ा, छोटा, तो हम वहां पे एडजेक्टिव्स यूज करते हैं. तो इन फ्रेंच यूजिंग एडजेक्टिव्स हैव मेनी रूल्स. सो विल स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट रूल इज दैट मोस्ट एडजेक्टिव्स हैव four possible forms. So adjective have four possible form in French. It's that masculine single, which is masculine single form, feminine single form, masculine plural form, and feminine plural, which is feminine plural form. As we know that in French, every noun has a gender. Even each item, people, living, non-living thing has a gender in French. So we have divided it into four sections: masculine, feminine, single, masculine, feminine, plural. जैसे हम जानते हैं फ्रेंच में हर नाउन का अपना एक जेंडर होता है, चाहे वो आइटम हो, चाहे लिविंग थिंग्स हो या नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, सबका अपना जेंडर होता है. इसीलिए हमने उसे 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है. So the first part is masculine single, and the example we have is un livre vert. Un livre vert, which means a green book. Livre is masculine form. So livre is a book and it is masculine in nature, masculine in gender. Next we have feminine single. So feminine single we have un ju vert. Yun, you, worth. Here we pronounce this as worth. We will pronounce the T. In this, we will not pronounce the T. T will remain silent. So, Yun, you, worth is a green skirt. A green skirt. The adjective will change according to the color. Adjective will change according to the gender or the color or the gender of the noun. Adjective will change. So next we have masculine plural. Masculine plural we have the livre vert. The livre vert, which is green books. Here we put an S to make it into plural form. S with ver and S with livre. Livre is what? Book. And these are some. So some green books. Next we have feminine plural. They, you, were. They, you, were, which is green skirt. So we put in S on both you and word, and yun will become they as an article. Next rule we have is that if the adjectives already ends in E, the feminine form doesn't add another one. So it is same as the masculine. अगर feminine form में already E है, तो हम उसे extra E नहीं लगाते. अगर एक word feminine masculine है और उसमें E already है, तो हम उसको feminine में करने के लिए extra E नहीं लगाएंगे. For example, masculine single, un vêtement moderne. Un vêtement moderne. A modern building. Here modern have an E at the end. So we will not going to add another E at the end of feminine form. See, feminine single is une ville moderne. Une ville moderne, which is a modern town. A modern town. Modern will be same with E. We will not going to add another E at the end of modern. And ville is what? Ville is a town. So une ville moderne is a modern town. Next we have masculine plural, which is des bâtiments modernes, modern building. So we put an S at the bâtiment and S with the modern to make it into a plural form. Next we have feminine plural. They wheel modern. Modern towns. We put an S with the wheel and with the modern. But the pronunciation will remain the same because S will be the silent. Third rule we have is if the adjective already ends in S, the masculine plural is the same as the masculine single. अगर पहले से ही masculine single में S है एंड में तो हम उसे प्लूरल बनाने के लिए एक और S नहीं लगाएंगे. जैसे इसमें था हम लोगों ने एक और E नहीं लगाया था. तो same with this, we will not going to put an another S if the masculine single have S in the end of the verb. So we have masculine single. On écrive français. On écrive français. So third rule we have is that if the adjective already ends in S, the masculine plural is the same as the masculine single. So वही सेम रूल कि जब हमारे पास ऑलरेडी ई है मैस्कुलिन फॉर्म में तो हम फेमिनिन में एक और ई नहीं लगाएंगे. सेम इसी में अगर हमारे पास मैस्कुलिन सिंगल में ऑलरेडी एस है तो हम दूसरा एस प्लूरल बनाने के लिए नहीं लगाएंगे. We'll follow the same rule that we're not going to add another e if the masculine form have e, and if the masculine single form have s in the end of the word, we will not going to add another s. For example, masculine single, un écrivain français, un écrivain français, which is a French writer. Écrivain is a writer and français is the French writer, a French writer. Feminine single is une ville française, une ville française. So it will be a French town because ville is a town. Next we have masculine plural. Des écrivains français, des écrivains français, which is the French writer. So we put S in the end of écrivain and une and des for the article. Some French writer, a French writer or some French writer. Then feminine plural is das, des villes français, des villes françaises. So we add an S in the plural form of feminine. Here also we will add here it end with the S, so we will not going to add in another S. But here the français feminine is end with E, so we put S in the end of the word to form it into feminine plural. So des villes françaises is French towns. So these are the basic rule for using adjectives. If you want to revise all the example, you can download from the below link. Thanks for watching the video. À bientôt. Merci.